Question 27 of the DSE mathematics practice paper. For this question, it is a question about the circle, and the equation of circle is given here. 2x squared plus 2y squared plus x minus 12y plus 3 equal to 0. And the question asks which of the following statements is correct. For this kind of question, it is always good if we can change the equation of circle into the standard form. So now I will try to do it for you. In order to change the equation to standard form, first we should divide the whole equation by 2, so that x squared and y squared appears. Then my practice is to group the x terms together and the y terms together. So x squared plus 4x, I will put them together, and y squared minus 6y. Then I will also put the constant terms on the other side. So now we have to minus negative 3 over 2 to both sides in order to move the constant terms to the right hand side. Next, we have to complete square for the x terms and y terms such that it can form the standard form. And if you have do much practice on the computing square, you will notice that we should add 4 to the x terms and add 9 to the y terms. After that, we should add also 4 and 9 to the right hand side so as to balance the equations. Alright, so now you see we have successfully completed the square, and we have finished the standard form on the left hand side. For the right hand side, it will be 23 over 2. And in order to finish the standard form, we should change it to square root 23 over 2 and then whole term square. And by doing so, we will notice that the center of the circle is negative 2 and 3. And the radius of the circle is square root 23 over 2. And by using the calculator, you know that the radius is 3.39. Alright. So now let's look back onto the statements. For statement 1, it is correct because the center of the circle we have found that is negative 2 and 3. And for statement 2 is incorrect because we have just found that the radius of the circle is 3.39 but not 7. Therefore, the answer should be B, because once the statement 2 is incorrect, B is the only choice that can satisfy the that can be true. But still, I would like to show you how part 3 why part 3 is correct. Because from our findings, we find that negative 2 and 3 is the center of the circle. So if we roughly draw a graph, we'll know that the center of the circle is here, and the radius, since the radius is 3.39, so the circle should be something like this. However, because this point is 3.39 and the point we are talking about now is 2, 3. This point is 2, 3, and it is the distance between negative 2, 3 and 2, 3 is 4, which is larger than our radius, 3.39. Therefore, 2, 3, for this point, it should be lies outside the circle. As a result, statement 3 is correct, and the answer of this question is B.